Hey everyone, welcome back to Technology Trends. Samsung's next generation flip phone is almost here, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. Today, we're walking through its sleeker design, larger displays, camera upgrades, and yes, the price and release details. Let's dive in. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 and its sibling, the FE variant, will be unveiled at Samsung Unpacked on July 9, 2025, live from Brooklyn. You can expect pre-orders to open that same day, with shipping starting in mid to late July. Some regions might see an August release. The Flip 7 features a larger 6.85 main AMOLED display, up from 6.7, with a smooth 120Hz refresh. The cover screen is now a full 4 inches display, ideal for notifications, widgets, or selfies without unfolding. It's slimmer and lighter than the Flip 6, and case leaks from Linky support this refined design. Expect 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage, with options starting from 256GB. Chipset per region. USA likely gets Snapdragon 8 Elite, while global models may run Exynos 2500. Battery capacity rises to 4,300 mAh, a boost from last year's 4,000 mAh, still paired with 25W wired and 15W wireless charging. Camera hardware remains the same, 50 megapixels main, 12 megapixels ultra-wide, and 10 megapixels internal selfie. But don't underestimate it, Samsung's new Galaxy AI and Pro Visual Engine promise notable image processing improvements. It will ship with Android 16 and One UI 8, featuring enhanced flex mode and multitasking tools. In the US, the Flip 7 is expected to start at $1,099, matching last year, or slightly lower in some regions. The new Flip 7 FE, Fan Edition, aims for a more affordable $750 to $799 price point, packing mid-range specs with the same sleek design. US FCC approval confirms the FE model is indeed coming stateside. So, is the Z Flip 7 the sleekest, most advanced flip yet? Absolutely. Bigger screens, smarter AI software, and better battery make it a real option for flip fans. And with the new Flip 7 FE, Samsung finally offers a budget foldable that doesn't skimp on the experience. Which one excites you more, the premium Flip 7 or the accessible FE? Comment below and let us know. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full hands-on review right after Unpacked.